Good morning and welcome back to Vlogmas. We slept in today. We were so tired. I don't think I went to bed until midnight last night, which for me is really late because I'm old. So I know I'm not old, but I'm old at heart. So anyway, so today is our cookie exchange. So very excited for that this evening, but I have a couple of things I need to do. So I thought we could make a list and try to tackle that today. I do want to take Penn for a walk because she is like crazy, but let's make our list of things we gotta do. Okay, so I know I need to take out the trash. I need to dust, vacuum. I need to make the cocktail. I gotta make the ham biscuits, the meatballs. What else? Oh, the skewers. What else do we have to do? Oh, get the platters out. We need to get the cookie tins out. I mean, that's a pretty comprehensive list, guys. I mean, it's gonna take me a little bit of time, but I think that's everything. So definitely need to get this stuff out and get going, but I think first thing I need to do is get ready for the day and then take this little peanut. She is pacing around me as though she's a shark in water circling her prey. Look at her. Penny, do you want to go for a walk? Oh, I can't even get her on here. She's just moving so much. Do you want to go for a walk? You do? Okay, so I'm gonna get out of my jammies and I think we're gonna take her for a walk. It's getting a little bit warmer now and okay, nothing to it but to do it. Go get, bless you. We're gonna go for a walk and get coffee. She doesn't do good on coffee dates, but she does good when we walk there. So that's what we're gonna do. Are you a happy girl? Oh, we got itches. Really, Penny? We've gone like 2 steps. Come on. Let's go get some coffee. This is the cutest little spot near our local coffee shop, and they deck it out with their holiday stuff all the time. It's so pretty. It kind of reminds me of Bryant Park in New York, like the little tables and chairs and things, but like, look how pretty this is. Their pots are so pretty. I would love to have something like this in the front porch. Like, look, we've got our fancy little movie theater, our little coffee shop. This is a great little spot. We were walking back and there was a jewelry store that we were walking past and Penny saw the door stopper and she tried to grab it because she thought it was a stick. Anyway, the lady inside was like, "Can I say hello?" and like gave her a dog treat and everything. So this dog, man, she's crazy. We're actually going to have some lunch. I mean, I'm gonna finish my coffee. And then it's about lunchtime. And then I'm gonna start like dusting and cleaning and all of that jazz. And then we'll start the food prep here in a little bit. Get him, Penny. You get him. Okay, so because we're hosting the party tonight, we probably won't have a chance to do Penny's bark box tonight. So I thought we'd go ahead and do it. Penn, come on. Let's see, what's today? Number 7? We gotta find number 7. Come here. Come see. Come on. Up. There's 8. Where in the heck is 7, Penn? There's 9. 7 right here. I bet you it's a treat. It is. It's another candy cane. They're getting a little predictable with these, but Penn likes these at least. Is it your favorite? Here, let me. Can you see her? Come here. Come here. You like these? Oh my goodness, they're so yummy. There you go. We cleaned the bathrooms. Y'all don't need to see us cleaning toilets, scrubbing toilets. And now the next thing we're gonna do is dust and vacuum and straighten up. So we'll kind of go room by room, I think, and get that done. Also have to get my platters down for tonight too. Vacuumed, we have straightened up, we cleaned the bathrooms, we walked Penny, we got the platters out. So I always like to kind of set my space up before a party to make sure that it's like I've got enough room for everything. So, and kind of think through how people are going to use it. So we're going to do that next. I've got my cocktail. Oh babe, will you get that vodka out and put it in the freezer?
Yeah.
So this will kind of be like the drink section, and then I need to think through my food situation too, because we're doing little ham biscuits, skewers, and meat rolls, and crock pot stuff. So babe, can you get down the crock pot from up here? So I'm thinking food's gonna go here and cookies are gonna go on that table, is my thoughts. Oh my gosh, that is so dusty. Oh, that's gonna have to be washed. So I'm thinking my little meat rolls will go on this platter. And then the meatballs will go in here. So I always like to put little platters out so that we can put some cookies on there, and that kind of thing. And everybody can kind of put their cookies around, and we can do like a around the table kind of thing. So something else I do every year is I go after Christmas and get cookie tins on clearance so that I can have them and put them out. So I'm gonna make a little design over here. I also do these because I also grab these so that I can give out some different ones when like to neighbors and stuff. And if somebody needs a different size, then we'll snag that. But I like to get the smaller sizes because not everybody wants to take home a ton of cookies either. So that's that. It's 2:40 now, so we're pretty close to when I need to start prepping the food. Meatballs specifically. Oh, also I wanted to show you guys my printouts, the games that I'm playing. So I did these little designs. I did not get the games. I did not think of all of it for the games, but I did the little design and stuff. So this one is Name That Christmas Movie, and it is all about the quotes from a movie. So everybody will have to do that, and then, or play that, and then also find the guest who. So this one, you can kind of see, oh, it's kind of hard to see, but it has like a little, like it's meant to make people mingle. So it's like find the guest who has the birthday closest to Christmas. Can recite a line from the elf, like those kinds of things. Because I do have, it's kind of a mix of people that are coming tonight. So it is helpful for people to learn more about each other and all of that. So it's kind of fun. I like to have little games during my parties just so it's not just a cocktail hour since everyone doesn't know everybody. But I think that'll be fun. I need to gather some pens and pencils for that. Denny, are you playing with your puppuccino? Yeah. What are you doing? Get it. Get it. I don't want it. You can have it. Okay, I am decked out. Look at how cute these earrings are. And my little headband and my Merry sweatshirt. So, it's still a little bit before people start to get here. I mean, it's only 5 o'clock now, so I have a little bit of cooking to do, like placing, but I don't think I'm gonna start doing all of that until just about 5:45. So I got ready a little early, but I'm always scrambling at the last minute, so I wanted to not do that this time. But look at this little peanut. She's right there, and then Ian. So that tree will come on in a minute, but I'm gonna turn those down a little bit. Turn the lights on. Let there be light. So we're ready to party. So I've got a cranberry Cosmo, all of our beverages, our meat and cheese rolls, our little caprese things. The meatballs are in here, which look great. I've got the little ham biscuits that are about to go in the oven here. And then a sleepy Penny, because she has no idea what's about to come. And then I plated some of my cookies. So I've got my cranberry orange cookies, the Russian tea cakes, the regular cookies. So yeah, it's all come together pretty well. I think I just hit Penny with the camera. Whoops, with the tripod. Anyway, I'll get some snippets and put it in, but I'm gonna officially sign off for Vlogmas Day 8 today now so that I can enjoy my party. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.